Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Maggie the Waggy Labby. Today we are doing the food challenge. So you guys are going to have to guess which food you think she'll go for. We'll have a couple options for her. We have some pretty cool foods that I think she'll really like. Get on with that. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and like it. Alright, now it's time to do this. The first items are a Girl Scout peanut butter cookie and a peanut butter spoon. Let's see which one she'll go for in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, which one? Oh, okay. Looks like
Cookie for the win.
yay. But
She'll take this too.
The next items are a cucumber end versus a carrot end. Which one do you want? The cucumber one, yeah. That's all? No? Do you want that? Yep. The carrot one's good too. Yeah, okay. Next item. Next items are a piece of seaweed versus blueberries. Let's see which one. The seaweed. She got no hesitation there, but
She'll take
girl,
them both.
you can only have one. Okay, so I think the seaweed won because that's the first one, but she's taken both of all of them because she is food crazy. Girl. And now the last items are ham versus lettuce. I think she'll choose the ham, but that's just my opinion. So let's do this. Ready? Ham, yeah, that's what I thought. This, oh, no, maybe. Girl. She wants more ham. Again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video to check out our other awesome videos, like my favorite, the beach video. And I hope you enjoyed watching Maggie eat. And you guys should try it at home with your dog. It's really fun. And she loved getting to eat different foods. Yeah, she loves food, so she took all of the options except the lettuce. So, more lettuce. Bye. See you later.